One of the best ways to get free traffic is through search engines. And the best way to get free traffic from search engines is via search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO. And there are two key components to getting good rankings in the search engines. And the first one, which we're going to cover in this video, is choosing the right keywords. Because you see, keywords are the most important part of your site as far as the search engines are concerned. Search engines really are just big databases. And keywords basically tell sites like Google what to file your website under. When you type a search term into Google or any other search engine, you're basically telling them what you're looking for. And so unless they have the keywords, unless they know what the website's all about, then they won't be able to find it for you. And you can see here we're using search engine optimization as our keyword. And all these sites here, all these sites down here, they're all optimized for that keyword phrase, search engine optimization. So I'll know when I go to each and every one of these sites that they're all about search engine optimization. And that's why using the right keywords is so important, because without them, search engines won't know how to index your site. Your site will never be found, and you won't get any traffic. Of course, it's more complicated than that, though. You need to find keywords that have a high search volume, but keywords that have low competition. Now, what do these two terms mean? Well, high search volume means that lots of people are looking for sites like yours using that particular keyword. And low competition means not many other sites are indexed for that keyword, so your site stands a better chance of being found. Now, there are several tools out there that you can use to find keywords. Probably the most popular one is the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Now, it's quite a long and complicated URL, so if you go to Google and just type in AdWords Keyword Planner, you'll be redirected to the sign up and login pages. You do have to have an account with Google in order to use this, but it is free and it's actually very simple to set up. Once you've logged in, you can come to this page here where you put in the information about your product or service. I'm going to use search engine optimization for this demonstration. And you can then get keyword ideas. For example, here it's got all sorts of information. You've got the keyword by relevance, and they're listed down here. It tells you the average monthly searches for that particular keyword. It tells you about the competition. Like we were saying earlier, you want to have keywords that have low competition. So, for example, here, SEO tips would be a good one to go for because it's got low competition, and it gets a high number of searches, 8,100. This information here, the suggested bid, this is all to do with if you're actually going to bid on Google AdWords, if you're going to actually buy an AdWord for that particular keyword. But you don't actually have to use it for that purpose. You can use it just for general SEO. And also, it's got this graph here which gives you an idea as to the average monthly searches there are for these particular keywords. Another tool is Market Samurai. And it can be a bit hard to get your head around Market Samurai. At least I found it a bit difficult to begin with, because it gives you a lot of information, and it gives you a lot more information than the Google AdWords keyword tool. It's a paid-for piece of software that you download onto your computer, and it can help you to really drill down and find some good keywords to target for maximum SEO. As I said, it is a paid-for piece of software, but there is a free trial. And if it works for you, then obviously you're expected to buy it. But you can find out more at marketsamurai.com. And as you can see, they've got a video on the site which explains how it all works.